Hello guys! Today my mother will have a piano keyboard time.
It's a Ouido, anak. It's a Ouido. We're just playing the chords.
We're just playing a chord on it. This is the speaker. It's from, he's 20
years old.
Already 2 years old already.
This yamaha was given my dad, anak. Bigay ni dad.
My mom was given to his dad.
Okay, we're gonna play a song about
You are my sunshine.
Hope you like it. Okay, let's try. This is Therese. This is my second daughter, and she's gonna sing with us a beautiful song she really like. You are my sunshine. Everybody's
Here, right here.